guys, Saint Abraham here again. Thank you very much for helping us and for supporting us throughout this whole year. Today is the 24th, it's the day before Christmas. Here in Mexico we usually celebrate it quite heavily today, like we have our dinner, like our family gathering and everything. So I'm actually at my family's houses right now and we're gonna be celebrating. I'm gonna be gone for the next couple of days, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without any videos. So super short video. I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas in case you're celebrating it. If not, if you're just with your family, that's fine. I wish you the best and I wish that we can or I would like to thank you for all of the things that we've done so far in the year. We still have one more week to go. We're gonna be taking a look at a couple of things here and there. We're gonna have a recap video of all of the things that we've done. And remember that today and tomorrow is the last day for the promo code in case you want to use it, the 90% discount code for Udemy. So thank you very much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. It's been an amazing year. Thank you for allowing me to do this. Thank you for commenting, for sharing, for letting people know the kind of stuff that we're doing here in the channel. I love teaching. It's one of my passions in life. I love 3D. I love fantasy. I love all of the things that we've been talking about. So being able to do this every single day and interact with you guys, it's really an amazing experience. Thank you very much, guys. I wish you the best and I'll see you back very soon. Bye-bye.